Baba Ramdev, the face of Patanjali and a frequent headline maker, is once again under the scanner, this time for coining a new and controversial phrase, Sharbat Jihad. Earlier this month, while launching Patanjali's Rose Sharbat, Ramdev made indirect remarks targeting the iconic summer drink Ruafza, made by 100-year-old company Hamdard. Though he didn't name Hamdard directly, the message was loud and clear. The remarks didn't stop there. Ramdev went on to call it Sharbat Jihad, drawing parallels with controversial terms like glove jihad. This, he said, was an effort to protect people from the poison of toilet cleaners being sold as soft drinks. Hamdard quickly filed a petition calling these statements not just defamatory but divisive and akin to hate speech. The Delhi High Court took the matter seriously. On Tuesday, Justice Amit Bansal, while hearing Hamdard's plea, expressed sharp disapproval. He said during the hearing, and I quote, "I couldn't believe my eyes and ears." The court allowed the video to be placed on record and slammed Patanjali's campaign for creating communal disharmony. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi appeared for Hamdard, told the court, and I quote, "This is not just a case of product disparagement. This is about communal divide. It's shocking. It's hate speech." Facing legal heat, Patanjali's counsel, senior advocate Rajiv Nair, told the court that they have no intention of targeting any religion and that video would be taken down. But that wasn't enough. Justice Bansal ordered that all advertisements in print and video format be removed or suitably altered and directed Baba Ramdev to file an affidavit within 5 days, pledging that he will not issue such statements again in speeches, ads, or on social media. When Nair argued that Ramdev has right to personal opinion, Justice Bansal replied firmly, he can hold those opinions in his head but he can't express them. The case will now be heard again on May 1st. Meanwhile, this isn't the first controversy for Ramdev and Patanjali. For misleading help ads to contempt notices from the Supreme Court, legal troubles have mounted for the yoga guru and his brand. But this time, the battle isn't just over a drink. It's about how far branding belief and personal bias can go before they cross the legal line. Meanwhile, Congress leader Digvijay Singh had also slammed Ramdev.
व्यापारी रामदेव कोई बाबा रामदेव नहीं है, व्यापारी रामदेव है। और ये तो हमारे स्वामी स्वरूपानंद जी, मेरे गुरु जी, बताते थे कि हमारे धर्म में तो यह है कि कोई भी अगर भगवा वस्त्र पहनकर व्यवसाय करे उसको कभी सम्मान की नज़र से नहीं देखना चाहिए। और जो कुछ आगे कहा गया वो मैं यहाँ कहने की स्थिति में नहीं हूँ। ये पूरे तरीके से व्यावसायिक है और मैंने तो उनको 2011 में ठग कह दिया था, जिसके उन्होंने मुझ पर मानहानि का दावा भी बिहार में किया, वो भी चला हुआ है। आज तक कोई प्रमाण उन्होंने नहीं दिया मेरे पास, तो उनके पास उनके बारे में इतने प्रमाण है कि वो खड़े नहीं हो सकते। किस प्रकार से उन्होंने नकली दवाइयाँ, नकली करके उन्होंने अपना प्रसार किया है। उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को यहाँ तक कि डिफेंस फोर्सेस ने भी रिजेक्ट कर दिया, नेपाल में भी रिजेक्शन हो गया, उसके उदाहरण मैं आपको दूंगा। अब वो कह रहे हैं कि उनका वीडियो आया है कि लोग रूह अफ़ज़ा ना पिया करें।